花垄镇、马岭镇和阳朔、平凤等地上周因连续多日暴雨，水库泄洪，造成特大洪灾。双江镇有2条河交汇，上游的大江水库泄洪，还有一个小型水库溃坝，造成该镇和邻近的花垄镇、马岭镇淹水。双江镇灾民陈女士表示，水库泄洪没有预警，洪水冲走所有东西，包括很多人还有车子等。当地90岁老人都没有见过这么大的水，现在一切只能从头。政府没什么救济，7号饿了一整天，隔天才得到一点米，造成江西、湖南、广西等8省数百万人受灾。但中共官媒不报道，其他门户网站的报道也寥寥无几。桂林阳朔县灾民表示，目前还在清理。
Heavy rain has affected some 2.6 million people in 11 provincial-level regions and destroyed over 1,300 homes. About 230,000 people have been forced to relocate. Economic losses are estimated at more than 4 billion yuan, that's over $500 million US. Gao Ang has the story.
Damage, destruction, and despair. Torrential rains sweep across southern China, unleashing the heaviest floods in years.
This is the largest flood in 20 years for our county. Garbage is everywhere on the street.
The extreme weather has left at least 9 dead and 5 missing, affecting over 2.6 million people across several provinces. But rescue is on the way. Step by step, one after another. In Guangdong province, a police officer instructs his teammates to take special care of an elderly man. In Guangxi Zhuang Autonomous Region, many rushed to the scene of the disaster, rescuing people and building a wall to protect a local water source from being polluted. And in the city of Guilin, authorities dispatched dozens of officers and boats to relocate trapped people. The electricity cut off. They search from door to door to make sure no one is left out.
We have been trapped for many days. I am thankful for the police officers to help us relocate.
As the floods ease Wednesday in Guilin, police officers joined by kids clean a playground and school buildings. And as they work hard to get the situation under control, parents will be hoping the reopening of schools will be just around the corner. Gao Ang, CGTN.